Here I believe we have the world's first-person slicer. So to begin with cutting a chicken, you want to make an incision along there, cutting down through that bone and out to separate out the wing. You might also wish to slice the tip of the wing off right there. So you separate it out, set this aside for stock. That can go on the tray for something else. Again, you make the incision right in there by the bone, come around the bone and back, separating out the wing, slice at this joint to get the tip off. You've separated out another wing, tip away for stock. Next, to slice the drum and thigh off, make an incision and cut through the skin, cutting around there, up through that natural joint, and then come around and catch the oyster, which is this part of the back, cut through the bone, down and around the back. Trim off any fat as you go. Now there's a natural line right there of fat, and if you slice along that line, you can cut cleanly through the drumstick and the thigh. Set those aside, and we'll repeat the same on the other side. Through the skin, separate it, come around, catch that oyster, slice through the back and down. Trim off any fat. Find that line of fat and slice through it, separating out our thigh and drumstick. To remove the breasts, I want to find the center and slice down through, coming to either side of the central breastbone. Using your thumb, work ahead of the blade and peel the meat back, and slice with the tip of the knife the breast free from the rib cage. Cut the breast free, trim off any fat, and you may wish to pull the tender away. Slice it and set that aside for a stir fry. Just make any little trims and adjustments you need. Trim off the fat. Any skin, you can leave the skin on or remove it. Skin removes relatively easily at this point. Just pull it free, and you've got a nice boneless, skinless chicken breast. Same goes for the other side. Down from the top. Tip of the knife to separate out. Carcass can be set aside for chicken stock, frozen and used later. Once again, trim off any fat and excess skin. Pull aside that tender, cut up for a stir fry. There's a bit of the wishbone left attached there. Just Lightly trim that aside. That can go for stock as well. And there we have another nicely trimmed chicken breast. By doing 2 birds at once, you can get several meals for 4. You can get your 4 breasts. You have additional strips for stir fry, and you have 4 drumsticks and wings and thighs to cook for a later time.